Pork Chop Wednesday. It's for real, Eli. It's real.
Is it? Hey, everybody.
I've been doing it all day, practicing. Eli's like, is he doing it? No, I'm doing it now. How y'all? I'm good today. I'm rocking and rolling. Look here what I got going. TCA spurs. There they are. There's the metal work. Got a little special button going on. Got the bands. There's a shank. There's the inside portion of it. Little simpler. Got silver cut in the deal here. Got some stacking going on. This guy's gonna go on top of that. I got a little gold gonna go in there. Silver there. That's with the band. That's the button. TCA logo on the inside. And there's the rowel. And yeah, I don't do this very often, but y'all can see there's a little inlay silver in there. So not much filing on these. I actually did all that with a graver, a flat graver. You can say a flat chisel, but cut it all up. So that's all cool. Patreon's rocking and rolling. Spur Workshop basically full. Got 6 people. I think there's 8 spots, but so that means 2 are left on the website. If you want in, you better hurry, which is awesome for me to say. That's exciting. But I got another little deal. Oh, podcast. Y'all been listening to the podcast? Pretty cool. Hey, do me a favor, share it. Get it out there. The audience is growing, which is a good thing, I guess. I want everybody to listen, and I hope to find value and entertainment in the situation, and get to know me and Carrie and how our little noodles work and how we go about our day. But yeah, y'all share it and get it all out there for me. And I got another little deal. Got a little package in the mail yesterday I want to show you guys about. From American Scroll. My buddy Weldon Lister is a part of this. Not sure if he owns it entirely or what all the deal is, but got this package in the mail yesterday. And I want to tell y'all, I'm thoroughly impressed. Look at the box. And all those are, so Weldon's a retired engraver, a gun engraver, firearms engraver, and from the great state of Texas, which is cool. But I think he's designed all this. I got a nice note from Weldon in here, and I'll show you. I've got some. This is all from his store. Went online and looked at it. Got a store there, and it's from metal to thread is the deal. But Life or Death, American Scroll Company, and I know Weldon's done all the design. And look, American Scroll Company. Y'all know what that is? Y'all from Texas know that's, well, everybody probably see the Texas flag there, but that's the Alamo. Long live the Alamo. So got some cool stickers there. How about this? Y'all know what that is? That is the golden rectangle, 1 to 1.618, and that's the golden spiral in there, which is the scrolls that we do all the time. So that's really cool. Texas road bump, armadillo. And then, man, I got some cool shirts. And got an armadillo there, and it's got all Weldon scrolls in there, and looks like it's got the Texas flag kicking on it. Got another Texas. Got the star, and more scrolls going on, and then God bless Texas. That's cool. I know we're proud of being from Texas, and from y'all that aren't from Texas, you get mad at us for being proud from Texas. We ought to be proud of where you're from. We are. It's all good. Long live Texas. Thank you, Weldon. Thank you for the shirts. I'll be wearing these. Got a little function to go to this weekend. Got a nephew graduating high school. I'm proud of him. So, man, I'll be dressed up. I'll be wearing my new stuff. So, anyhow, y'all go check it out. There's shirts or stickers or shoes. They got all kinds of stuff on there. So, go check out American Scroll. Cool designs. It's all about design, and y'all know I'm a design nut. Heavy on the nut, right? All's good. See y'all soon. Happy summer is coming. Grass is green and the birds are chirping. Life is good. Adios.